Everybody, welcome back to Food, Brew, and Barbecue, and today we're making a healthy Hawaiian chicken bowl. Alright, today we're taking it into the Pacific by making a pineapple and coconut marinated chicken, some coconut flavored quinoa. Then we're going to grill it up outside, get your hula skirt on, and let's get to it. Alright, the first thing we need to do is cut our pineapple. You could either carefully cut the rind off or use this little guy, which makes nice little spiral pineapples, which you'll see here in a second. And you want to be sure to save the pineapple juice because we're going to use that for the marinade. You see the spirals? Just give them a little slice and you'll have your beautiful pineapple rings. Then we need to marinate the chicken. And since you already have some of that pineapple juice, we're aiming for about a quarter cup of that. And then add a half cup of soy sauce, a half cup of coconut milk. And I've never used coconut milk before. You can find this in the can section. A quarter cup of brown sugar, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then optionally butterfly 2 chicken breasts or just throw them in whole. You could definitely use thighs here too. That just depends if you like that dark meat. Submerge the chicken and marinate for at least a half hour up to overnight, just depends on what time you have. Now for the coconut quinoa, we're going to boil together a half cup of water and 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Never used it before, use it 2 times in one day. Then once that's at a boil, add about a half teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of quinoa. Put that back on your heating source on low and cook for about 20 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed into the quinoa. Then moving outside to the grill, which we'll have running at 450 degrees with some Pit Boss Competition blend pellets, pop on that chicken.
Don't sell this
Chicken.
Sell the sizzle.
After about 5 minutes or so, add your pineapple and peppers, which I'm using sweet red, orange, and yellow peppers, and the green one is a jalapeno. After a few minutes, flip everything so they get some nice-ish grill marks, and dang, just look at all this. Doesn't it look so tasty? Now for some toppings for our bowl. We're going to prepare an avocado by cutting around the skin, then smack the pit with your knife carefully, but hard enough to twist. Nope. 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 Jeez. There we go. Twist the pit out and carefully remove from your knife and throw that away. Scoop the flesh out and then slice or dice depending on what you want. Speaking of slice, we'll slice a few limes, and last we'll thank the heavens above that I didn't get the cilantro taste like soap gene and chop up some cilantro to garnish on top. You take the chicken off once it hits at least 160 degrees, and if you go over a little, you'll be okay because the marinade will help keep it moist. Then, the not-so-secret ingredient, let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes to let the juices redistribute instead of cutting immediately and losing them all on the cutting board. While you're waiting, slice up the peppers to your desired slicedness, and then try to study the chicken. Be the chicken. And cut the chicken against the grain to your desired size pieces. Check a few for quality control purposes, and I gotta say, the sweetness of the brown sugar and pineapple juice do a great job here balancing everything out. It definitely gets the Tito's stamp of approval. Woogity, woogity, woogity.
Woogity, 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 woogity.
All that's left is to holler over to Megan to get a plate. Alright, so this is our bowl for tonight. So just start by putting a little bit of that lime on there. Megan, I'll let you take a taste because you didn't get a taste of the cookie last week.
Yeah, appreciate it. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything, I guess, in one bite.
Chicken has a really good flavor. The marinade helps it stay juicy longer, so you have a little bit more forgiveness with a chicken breast. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead and finish our dinner. Everybody else, look forward to cooking or grilling with you again next time.